Time.
Take them down.
Bravo 4, enemy chopper sighted. Bravo 2, you have time inbound to your position. Repeat, enemy first inbound to your position. Bravo 2, copy! Down, Bravo 1, the highest point on our line. We're pinned down.
Delta is under attack.
Ooh, yeah. Okay, where's this other one now? This way. Come on.
Getting out of the building.
Where is it?
Apaches behind stop.
You gotta lock on to them.
We need
You
support.
push L1. You gotta lock it.
We're pinned
Get
down
them
here.
locked in.
Can you assist?
There, you got them locked in. L1. Then you move in close and blow them away.
We're taking heavy casualties. We need you to take out behind.
Woo, Tony. Let them stay in one spot for a little while.
We're hit.
Bravo 4 to Shooter 1. There's pursuit of enemy units.
Woo!
Do they have red moon?
Unclear at this time.
Let them stop. Let them stop.
Bravo 4 is in contact with the enemy.
My missiles can't catch up with them. Come on, fire. There we go.
Mine is down.
Shooter, area clear. Continuing to pursue hostiles. Shooter 1, you confirm Red Moon is with Red moving northeast from the building. Attempting to stop.
Copy that.
Tear 'em up.
Red Gorilla is down by friendly fire. Repeat, Red Moon is down.
Oh, man. That's the way it goes. Trying to get by this. I need my sons to help me out of this one. When you get sick and tired of playing Ace Combat Infinity, try Horizon again. Talk to y'all later.